Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do SEO on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now to do SEO on Odoo, you're going to need the website module, and that module is going to be used to pretty much create your own website, which is what you need SEO for. Now, all the SEO options that you need are within that module, so let me show you guys what that looks like. So once you enter the module, in the top left, as you'll see, you have this options bar here. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the configuration settings. And here, as you'll see, if we scroll down, you'll see SEO at the very bottom. Here you can enable Google Analytics, default social share images, which you can upload yourself, and plausible analytics if you want to. And you can also add the robots.txt, and you can console Google search as well. And these are some basic SEO tools which you should need. Robots.txt is generated by default, and you do have one yourself. However, you can freely edit it to suit your needs better. All the other tools are also very useful SEO tools, such as Google Analytics and the Google console or the search console, which is very, very important for tracking SEO, modifying it, and optimizing it for your site. Now, other than this, you also have other SEO options which pertain to specific pages on your site. And I'm going to go back into my website. I'm going to go into the site, and I'm going to go into my home page. You can also go into your pages menu as well. And here you'll find all your pages, but if you select one certain page, if you go into site, here as you'll see, you'll be able to click on optimize SEO. Here you can set up the title, the description, which you'll have a guide if it looks too short or too long. You'll have keywords which you can set up. I'm pretty sure the golden amount of keywords, well, I'm pretty sure you should add as many keywords as you can pretty much to make the site SEO optimized. However, in the title of the page or the title of the site in general should be about 4 of the most important words, and that should be it. That'll be previewed over here in the top right, and you'll also have a social share preview right over here. And once you make any changes which you would like, just click save in the bottom left, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.